Meet Deceptitec. Deceptitec is a fast-growing cybersecurity company specializing in honeypot development and deception technologies. At the heart of their success are Deceptipots, lightweight, powerful, and configurable honeypots that you can install on any OS and capture every malicious action. The internal Deceptitec network is organized around a traditional on-premises Active Directory domain with approximately 50 active users. The product platform, however, is isolated and hosted entirely in AWS Cloud. Initial access pod. One ordinary morning, Deceptitec's entire network collapsed. Within minutes, all critical on-premises systems were locked down and encrypted. The IT department hurried to restore backups, while security team rushed their CM, only to find backup corrupted and all CM data wiped clean. This room is about the first attack stage, number 1 on the network diagram. As a part of an external DFIR unit, can you help Deceptitec to perform a full-scope investigation and explain how the attack started?
So that is it. Check this one. Now initial access mode. We sell hundreds of Deceptipots to the world every month, but don't even use them in our network. Show me that value of the product. Test it well and schedule the demo. Deadline next Monday. This is a task Emily Cross received from the company CEO as a newly hired junior IT personnel at Deceptitec. Emily didn't really know what to do, but still decided to prepare for the demo. Configure Deceptipot to replicate a corporate WordPress blog. Deploy the machine in the corporate DMZ, expose it to the internet, and see what captures over the weekend. Little did she know, threat actors around the globe enjoyed testing Deceptipot. 2. Can you find how they attacked the Deceptipot started? Now we have the credentials and the tips, and let me see the WordPress folder. So which web page did the attack attempt to brute force? Let me see. Audit is configured with non-standard audit rules. Emily didn't properly configure the Deceptipot. So let's check the name if I can type. Ubuntu, nothing new. Let me see the audit D. And find the cheat sheet for this one, if I can. We have this one. Maybe this will help. Let me paste this one real quick. Nothing in here. What a disappointment. Let me see the press. Not much. Not much at all. Let's see the user. I can have this one with I. Maybe the user written with the capital letters. No. For this one, also nothing too fancy. Let me check something else. Maybe some news. Too easy news. So, exact crocodile. Nothing in here. this one looks good. Let me see. List. Audit CTL list. Let me find this one. Maybe this will tell. Must be a root. It must be a root. No rules. What? Dude. So maybe this one. Where did you get this one? Failed to load games. Okay. Copy paste. Nope. Can't outdate. Apache maybe? Okay. Let me see the Apache. How they access and from where. WordPress. Nothing too fancy in here also. Which web page? Maybe the password one? Nope. Nothing. This WordPress, maybe config, maybe something else. Let me see. WordPress. PP admin. Too much to display. So maybe this is style. Password. What do we have in the password? System. I don't know. Let me try this one real quick. Nothing. WordPress system BC .NET. Well. Let me try this one. Great. And let's see what we got. Canonical, nothing interesting in here. Apache. Where's canonical? Maybe access. This is access real quick. Maybe. Admin. For blogging, I guess. Looks like that. What do we have here? PHP. Python requests. No request in here. Okay, requests. Not much. Manager HTML. Let me see. Maybe there is something else. Well, I guess. Palo Alto. Chrome. VP Chrome. Okay, Chrome. What can be with Chrome? Oh, Hydra. Hello. Now we will filter 52 and 44 and 4838, and login will be the page that is attempting to be brute forced. Now, what is the absolute path to the backdoor PHP file? To the backdoor PHP file. What can it be? Very interesting. So let me real quick filter this. Let me find the Hydra and filter now. I don't need, I guess 302 is a redirection something. HTML 302. Let me find this one. What exactly is this? 302. Let me close this one real quick. Okay. So here we have request, and then source is available in another location. So yeah, request to another location and found. I guess it is redirection. Let me filter this one from the rest. The minus. I don't need the 5244. How can I filter this one? Maybe almost symbol 4838. Nope, not working this one. Maybe I will add flat width and then it will work. Nope. Okay. So let's grab this one. A grab. Oh no, found. Not a blinder. So now we have this one. 302. But I don't have nothing else but 302. Let me see real quick. Let me see. Let me see. This one. So now we are filtering 302, and it is filtered. Let me filter this one also by the Hydra. I don't need the Hydra, but I need 5 lines from bottom and 5 lines from the up. For now, I'm not getting what I need. The only Hydra filtered. Let me grab 5C. Nope. For C5, I will put it in here. Let me see. Oh, now I'm getting something. 302. And we have in here, I think we have in here, load styles. Let me check what load style can be. Maybe also edit, co-edit with no load style. WWW WordPress WP admin. Let me admin this one. Now load S. Let me check this one for the dates. 24, August and November. I guess they are not too. Okay, August and November. Let me see the rest of them. Maybe the rest of them can tell me something. But no. August. We have 2025, 2023, 2024, 2022. Not helping much in here. Let me see the content of this one. And I guess nothing suspicious. Nothing suspicious. Okay. Do you no. Nothing in here. Let me check. Now another way to find this backdoor. All the rest files, but I guess config file is very interesting because we have some includes in it, maybe includes, can include the backdoor or content as a second best choice. So includes what? Header. Let me see all the content of this folder. Maybe it is not that bad. I don't see any suspicious ones. So I will reverse engineer this answer. We have found var www, and then we have the name of this file, 3 letters in the name and 3 letters in extension, and type is the file. So I will find this one in the WordPress directory, I guess. Now we have WP include images, maybe, but no. So we have 6 and 6 letters in the folders, and we don't have in W include 6 and 6 folders. So these folders are not good for us, but then bloxy I get in W command. We can see these are not good. Not good at all. So we'll go back. No. They are not matching the standard 6 and 6. And this one is good. Let's see the contents of this file real quick. The start is good, nothing, but we have the classic backdoor web shell with CMD and pause and prayer. So we see this one very good. Let me copy paste this one real quick. Real quick. That's it. Very good. So now, which file path allowed the attacker to escalate to root? I wonder which one. Which one? 3 and 3. Let me find this one also. Do the reverse engineering on these questions. I know this is not the ideal one, but the dash in this name is very interesting one. Now I have the name, 2 question marks, and the name, and we'll find this one in the root directory of the Linux. Let us see. The file. Oh, too much. Let me send the errors of the permission denied to DevNull. Best can I do for the permission denied. Oh, denied. Very nice. Now I guess we had this one. Maybe I just missed the question mark. Maybe. Oh, I guess I will fill this one with the question marks. So it will be best, because the names are not matching. We have 6, 7 question marks. Let me see. we let us in the folder we don't have. The first one is, but second one is not 3 letters at all. So let me double check the results. Maybe this password can be something like, let us see. Nope. It looks like the regular one. Nothing special in here. So let me take a deep breath. We don't have these. Names aren't matching. So far, names are not matching at all. Which file path allowed the attacker to escalate to root? Which will be the path that escalates too soon? etc. But what? Let me see the root directory, I guess. So maybe tab, maybe dev, maybe opt, maybe mnd. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I will double check this. Okay, the pseudo permission. There's nothing in here. Really nothing in here. One, two, three, four, five. I guess it's 6. I'm missing one question mark. Dude, I guess I just found this. Let me try this one. The pass. I guess no. Not at all. So this back file is taking all the credits. I guess it is the right one. The mega right. Nothing in here that can be the right one. So, yeah, that's it. That's it. So, which IP was all scanned after the privilege escalation? Maybe let me escalate the user. Just real quick. Escalate, because this backup is for root. So the sudo minus, that's it. We are back in the business, baby. And we have history, bash history. What a nice surprise. So, baby, we have in here port scanning going on, and I see the IP that headwind, all the things. "172 has escalated this one. Port scan after they escalated. This is it. This is the IP. 172. Yeah, that's it. What MD5 hash of the malware persist on the host we have in here. CSP. These files are the main source of concern. I guess those actions were to make the persistence work. And this is, I guess, this is not the attacker's actions. Let me see the Deceptipot. README and Deceptipot key conf. Let me see. So we have Viking Deceptipot, and then this can, I guess, IPA can get Deceptipot. I don't know. Conf. Let me see. We have web copy, pass, security recovery change. Very nice. So let me take this password, and I have no clue what to do with it, because we don't need it for now. At least for now, we don't need it. So we have 5841 that was downloaded as a RGZ, then removed from this machine. Very clever attacker. Let me see. PS. Maybe this file appears in the top, but not appears. Let me see what we can see in here. Maybe something interesting. Maybe, just maybe. I don't see any suspicious files. I don't see them. I guess it must be some kind of demon. Because what else can keep attacking business? Only some kind of demon, but I don't see in here. I don't see in here for now anything defined. Deception. So I have in here the audit search. Page leverage audit for security. Maybe it will help me. We have in here audit CTL pass D, and maybe I'll search K, test something. Will be the best. I'll search. Ouch. K-I-K, if I can type. I-K. I. Oi, oi. So we need the argument. Let me server digit or server changes. No match found. What? Not good. Then maybe users. No. Maybe user. Nope. Maybe something else. File. Nope. Exact. CVE. Cisco. Nothing. Not a ocean. We have in here almost what I need. We have the Chrome exact and not exact CV. So let me rephrase this one. We have CVE, Cisco. It's not filtering it. So maybe pro title, the process title, pro title. What can be pro title? Red pro title. Password. Select. Oh, we have in here very interesting information. So we have SOCA and we have find is the home name .env. What that can be? Maybe Talker implementing something in env. Let me real quick check this one, and then we can breathe for some time. No, nothing in here. Let me see the folder itself. Maybe, no, I don't have it. Okay, so let me think of something more attractive. So we have street house key checking no, and we have the temp key, and we have root local. Let me check something for audit. So maybe, or we can see no, the Chrome tab. Whoa, why aren't you showing the L1? No, Chrome tab for root. Okay, I'm looking for all phones, not only for root. Room tab and nothing. It's empty. Let me check real quick in system D, maybe daemon. system. Let me see system. Okay. Let me solve this one for dates. And then we decide. Okay, 2025. 2024. I guess we have bingo on this one. Let me see the contents of this one real quick. Okay, we have the exact star. Okay, let me stream this one, I guess. I can see maybe some strings in this file. No strings for me. Okay, let me see for some alternative for this one. Let me see. To cut, it will not cut this one. Cat will not cut this one. I guess not so good. Let me real quick check this one in Google. Let me see what Google is talking about for this one. D-C. And how they print characters and cut, the new line. Send the file that I want to print the content of. Whoa, too much. This is too much. Almost good. Nothing in here. For now, I guess. Nope. Everything is closed. Like if maybe it's encrypted. Let me see. Just let me less for this one and let's see. Too much H's in here. The entropy isn't too good, I guess. Or encryption, or encoding of some kind. Not really. Too much information. This one is not giving up too much information, but file is ELF executable. I guess MD5 sum maybe will give us the hash we are looking for. Oh, that is it. This is the hash we were looking. Let me try now. The last one. Can you access Deceptipot in recovery mode? Let me see where readme is not giving us too much information, but the regular run. Let me see. We have the passkey in here, but we don't have, I guess, we don't have the pass of this one. So, whoa, what's that? Let me take these back real quick. Oh, back in the business, baby. Back in the business. So, let me see which Deceptipot and how to get to the recovery mode. Very interesting. So, let me see which one it was. We don't have here Deceptipot, I guess. So, let me see the Deceptipot itself. Bash history is not giving us too much information about this one. So, let me find the file. Which file will be? Let me see. Which did set? Now Deceptipot. Is it Deceptipot? I guess I can find it. Guess I've just made a huge mistake. Let me send this one to the dev now, and nothing, and I'm missing still the Deceptipot. That's it. That is it. Now type F. That's it. This is it. This is the Deceptipot. Let me see. Loading. Looks like okay. Let me help. Oh. Recovery key. String recovery key. Okay. Where did the recovery key gone for good? Let me cat this one. No, this is it. The recovery key. Real quick. And the recovery key. And I guess we have the flap for the good. That's it. I guess that's it. So long. Bye bye.